Hi, I'm Anil Hug, a highly motivated and passionate artist. Color plays a vitally important role in the world we live in. It's an essential part of our lives. If we notice, our lives are filled with colors. As they are visual reminders of elements of nature, colors influence our emotions and actions. That's the reason brands use specific color to target exacting audiences. For me, color is the most powerful element of art. Learning color mixing will allow us to utilize color in our work effectively. It is the element we use to create visual effects. The mood or atmosphere of an artwork along a single color can represent a lot.
All you need to get started with is the basic color concept. Let's start with the basics. The basic color will consist of 3 primary and 3 secondary colors. Primary colors are yellow, red and blue, and we create the secondary ones by mixing the primary. Yellow and blue make green, blue and red make purple, red and yellow make orange. Tertiary colors are a combination of primary and secondary colors. There are 6 tertiary colors: yellow-orange, red-orange, yellow-green, blue-green, red-purple, blue-purple. An easy way to remember their name is to place the primary names before the secondary color. Value is another element of art related to the lightness and darkness of the color. We can find the values of a color by making its tints and shades. Tints are the light values that are made by mixing a color with white, and shades are the dark values that are made by mixing a color with black. For example, pink is a tint of red and maroon is a shade of red. Same as light blue is a tint of blue and ultramarine is a shade of blue. All the reds, oranges and yellows are warm colors. These colors suggest heat, love, anger, violence, etc. And all the blues, greens, violets are the cool colors. They suggest calmness, sadness, night, ocean, winter, etc. Complementary colors are high contrast colors directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Analogous colors are next to each other on the color wheel. They are naturally harmonious but lack contrast. Triadic color scheme uses colors as the point of equilateral triangle, 3 colors spaced equally on the color wheel. It is referred to as a balanced color scheme. Color scheme with multiple values of a single color is monochromatic color scheme. If you want to know more about colors, do let me know. I like to study more and more about colors, and I am glad that I have shared my knowledge with you. Follow and be a part of my creative journey.